It was a culmination of a journey that started a number of years ago. For most of my life, I strove to get a grip on my relationship to past family history. And so for me, that had meant addressing Hebrew and engaging Hebrew in my musical works. And yet I would hit a wall because that level of really internalizing not only the language, but what is beneath it. What has emerged is a constant series of revelations and also of coming home. It just hit me why, personally within my own musical manner of expression, I must have dialogue with the past. And suddenly I saw that the same thing was going on in the works of Peretz and all these other Jewish writers, Yiddish writers, and the very essence of Yiddish is this constant tension and dialogue with whatever local culture the writer happens to be a part of. I think the depth of what any student will discover in this program, it is surprising. And I think just to have an attitude of immense openness, it's extremely intense. One progresses from day to day because the work is quite hefty and essentially so. Suddenly you start thinking in Yiddish a bit more. Suddenly it's easier to hold a conversation. It's a marvel. I think this experience definitely has changed me, both artistically and personally. Artistically, I feel that I am only at the beginning of the richness that now can be mined, discovered. It's a very exciting path. I could tell you the piece I'm about to write. It's the first piece of mine that's going to incorporate English, Hebrew, and Yiddish. Yeah, it's just the beginning.